Hello everyone. Now I will present to you the information about the electric motor. Our group we have four members: Thanh Quang, Huey Anh, Kim Anh, and Huyen Anh. And now we will show you some pictures. Can you guess the name of the machine? It's so easy, right? It's a washing machine. And the next one is the machine that you use every day. It's a blender. Oh, it's so easy, right? It's a fan. And the last one is water pump. And did you know how it works? These are some devices using electric motor.
Yes, you can see energy conversion. A motor will convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. And the next, I will show you some component and its function.
Hello everyone, my name is Toyan. I will show you some components of motor and its function. The first one you can see, this is ammeter. It will convert electromagnetic energy to rotation. And then we have the bearings. It will support the right shaft. And what is the right shaft? I will show you later. You have the third one is brushes. Brushes, its function is supply the current to the ammeter. The fourth one is commutator. It reverses the current to the ammeter. And this is the right shaft I said before. It will transfer rotation from the motor. It is supported by bearings. And the last one is field windings. It creates an electromagnetic field. Okay, so now I will show you the picture of washing machine motor, and you can see this component in this. You can see bearing, brushes, two brushes here, commutator, and then we have field windings. Yeah, field winding is here. Yeah, we have two bearings. The first bearing here, the second bearing is here, and this is the motor frame. And one more thing is right shaft. Right shaft is this. Right shaft. Right shaft it is. Yeah, it will transfer rotation from motor to machine. It will driving. Yeah.
Yes, an electric current running through a wire produces a magnetic field around the wire. I will show you in a simple electric motor. And if an electric current flows around a loop of wire with a bar of iron, through it, the iron becomes magnetized. It's called an electromagnet. Here called an electromagnet. One end become a north pole. Here become a north pole, and here become a south pole. Depend on which way the current flow around the loop. And if you put two poles the same pole together, for example, like the north pole and the north pole, they will repel each other. And if you put unlike pole, they will attract each other. Like you put the north pole with the south pole, they will attract the other. And in a simple electric motor, like shown in the picture here, you can see a piece of iron with loop of wire around it. Here, called an ammeter. Here called an ammeter. Is placed between the north and the south pole of a stationary magnet. Here, north and south pole of a stationary magnet. Now at the field magnet here. When electricity flows around the ammeter wire, When electricity flows around the armature wire, the iron here will become the electromagnet. And the next part, my friend will tell you more about the operation of it.
Hello, my name is Kim Anh, and now I will tell you about the operations of an electric motor. When electricity flows around the armature wire, the iron becomes electromagnet. And thanks to the attraction and repulsion between the poles of this armature magnet and the poles of the field magnets, make the armature turn. As a result, its north pole is close to the south poles of the field armatures, the field magnet, and then the current is reversed, so the north poles of the armature magnet become the south poles. The north pole will become the south poles. And once again, the attraction and repulsions between it and the south, it and the field magnet make it turn, and the armature continues turning as long as the direction of the current, and therefore its magnetic poles keep being reversed. And to reverse the direction of the current, the end of the armature wire are connected to different halves of the split ring horn commutator. Current flows to and from the commutator through process here, and you can see that there the commutator is divided into two split rings. There are two gaps here. And when the armature turns, first one half of the commutator comes into contact with the brush. And the other, so the direction of the current keep being reversed. And to help you understand clearly about the operation of an electric motor, I will show you a video clip.
In this simple electric motor, a current passes through a coil in a magnetic field. This forces the left side of the coil upwards, and the coil rotates. When the coil is vertical, the current shuts off for a second. The current is reapplied, and the other side of the coil moves upwards. This is the simplest model of how electricity creates mechanical energy.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Thanh Quang, and you have just seen the videos about how electric motor works. And then I will summarize some main steps of the motor run on direct current. And you know, in step 1, when the current flows, the armature here become an electromagnet. This pole is attracted by the south pole and repelled by the north pole of the field magnet. Yeah, you can see here. And the next step, in this step, the armature turn a water of a turn. Then electric contact is broken because the gap in commutator here broken here. But the armature keeps turning because there's nothing to stop it. Yeah, nothing to stop it. Yeah, and the last step, when the commutator comes back into contact with the brushes, yeah, it's connected, and the current flows the armatures in opposite direction, and its poles are reversed, and turn continue, and it's like a shortcut of the electric motor, and then you can create an electric motor. So it's the end of our presentation. Thank you for watching.